SK International designed, manufactured, and assembled an automated assembly and testing system for 6 different variants of motor latch assemblies with reduced cycle times for Japanese OEMs. Key features include reduced assembly process time, pre-quality check for parts, and quick changeover fixtures to accommodate the 6 different variants of the motor latch assembly. The correct feature to be used for assembling the motor and the latch for a certain latch type is verified using multiple laser and proximity sensors. The fixtures for the other latch types are stored in an integrated fixture storage area. A vision check is performed to verify the correct motor type to be used for the motor latch assembly, after which greasing of the motor is performed at the greasing station. The assembly of the motor and the latch is completed using an automatic nut runner unit. The rejected assemblies are isolated and stored in the rejection bin. The motor latch assemblies are tested for functionality and safety in the test system. The correct fixture to be used for the testing the motor latch variant is verified using multiple laser and proximity sensors. The fixtures for testing the other motor latch variants are stored in an integrated fixture storage area. The functionality of the motor latch assembly is checked by a spring force pull test using an actuator. The safety of the motor latch assembly is tested using a chromometer that checks the impedance of the motor. The laser marker is used to etch the lot number and date code on the wiring harness of the motor latch assembly. The motor latch assemblies that fail the test process are isolated and stored in the rejection bin.